Creating folders. To create a folder, you need to navigate to a course page and follow these steps. I'm going to show you how to do this in my sandbox. Click Add Materials, then select Add Folders. In the Create Folder window, you can edit the following items. You can enter a title, choose a color, and enter description. This is optional. It will display below the folder name. Then you can use the rich editing text features along here to add features to your text. You can add a start date and an end date. By doing this, this will allow this to populate in your students' calendar and pop up for them to see. You can set availability to the folder. Publish means visible to students. Unpublished means hidden from students. Publish on start date, meaning it will only publish on the date where it is posted. And publish during the date range, meaning that it will pop up on the calendar and on the page during those date range. When you're finished, you hit create. Once you have multiple folders, you can drag and drop them to change the order in which they appear. Click on the folder you'd like to reorder and hold it there for just a few seconds. The relocation little icon will pop up like this, meaning that you can move it. If not, you hold on to it again and drag it. You can also avoid by dragging folders by creating a new folder in the desired location. Once you have at least one folder in the course, you will notice a light gray line below each item. When you hover over the line, a green sign will appear. You can hit click there, and then you can add materials this way. You can also choose to import resources to add to your content that's already in your courses. Choose Add Folder to create a new folder in line. Do the same thing as before, and then it will pop right below. You can manage materials in folder. There's a gear icon to the right of each item which can be used to edit, unpublish, monitor student completion, move the item to another folder, copy to a course, and save resources for further use or to share with colleagues. You can also delete the materials from the course that's selected. Adding materials to folders. Once a folder has been created, you can begin adding assignments, tests, quizzes, file links, discussion, pages, or media items. To add items to a folder, use the Add Material button following these steps. Select the Materials tab to the left of the menu of the course profile, which is right here. And then you may select which folder you would like and select Add Materials, and you may add things within the materials folders. This would be a quiz that I'll show you how later to make. You can upload a file from my which I will show you later because it's not connecting. And now it's frozen. Sorry, now my computer screen's frozen. Oh, there we go. So I can take a picture. And it will add into here. And then it will populate right in here. You can also expand folders. You have to click on the caret next to a folder's name. So I need to go back to one where you can see the folder. The little caret right here. A list of course materials in this folder will display. So here we'll show you everything that's underneath it. If you have a folder within a folder, you can click on the caret next to the subfolder and it will expand open, which I only have little ones in here. But if I had a folder within a folder, it would pop open and you could see all the folders in here. It's just a way for you to view what's in there. To navigate in between things in folders, if you actually click on a folder right up here, it will hit next and then the next thing will pop up. You can only do this if you have multiple things on a page. So then it will just keep popping up. So then instead of going back to the home page, I can just hit up here and it'll go to everything that would be on that page, on the first page of this course.